Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can know if Alibaba seller or Alibaba supplier is legit, okay? So I'm going to be showing you step by step, okay? So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for products that you want to purchase. For example, just say I want to purchase a makeup product, okay? This is just an example, okay? So as you can see, the first result here, as you can see, this like supplier or seller is verified, so there is nothing to worry about when you see this verified box here, or when you see this verified badge here. Just buy with your eyes closed, because there is nothing, okay, there is nothing to worry about, okay? Have purchased multiple times from these suppliers or these sellers without any problem, because they want to keep the customer happy, okay? So they can do anything to keep the customer happy, because they are in this business for a very long time and they know exactly how to make customers happy. So the suppliers or sellers you need to be scared of, or like people that are in business for like less than 1 year, okay? But not always the truth. Like as you can see, it has like 3 gold icons here. That also means you can purchase with your eyes closed, okay? So I'm going to show you guys exactly the how you can check that. Like if you, for example, if you already like if you have chose the supplier or seller that you want to purchase from, you just want to make sure now how to see if they are legit or not. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Also, I'm going to show you guys how you can also like just make this easier, okay? Search for the product that you want to buy and check this box, okay, where it says supplier features. You just need to select this one that says verified supplier and verified pro supplier, and that's all you need to do, guys. Any supplier you see when you check this box are trustworthy. There is nothing to worry about, okay? Now if there is a supplier that you want to purchase from, okay, and they are not verified, you want to know if they are legit or not. For example, this guy is not verified. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on their like company information. Just click on their like company name, as you can see here. Click on it. All right, it will take you guys to their page, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click here, it says profile. You want to click on ratings and reviews, and here you will see all the reviews, because you can see it has like 4.6 stars, which is good, okay? There is nothing wrong here. The reviews are good, as you can see. If you click here on profile, you want to click on company overview. Now here you will see the company name, as you can see. Make sure the company name is the same as the like name of their store, okay? As you can see, the company name, as you can see, you can also search for the company name on Google and see. As you can see, it has like 8 years. It's been in the business for 8 years, which is good, okay? There is nothing here that scares me right now, because this guy has been in business for a very long time, okay? Of course, there are a lot of scammers on Alibaba. I'm not going to say no. I have dealt with them before, okay? There are some scammers like really that will literally just take your money and ignore you. And yeah, especially this is why you always have to use the protection from Alibaba when you are trying to purchase, even though you are going to pay more money, but it's worth it, okay? So yeah, that's exactly how you can do this, okay? This is not complicated to see if the seller is legit or not. Okay, I'm going to check other sellers, and then I'm going to show you guys. This one has been in business for 1 year, and there is no gold icon here, which is like they are just the first time. So these sellers, I would ignore them because they don't have experience, okay? I'm going to check here. I'm going to click on their company information. As you can see, I'm going to click on profile, company overview, and this, as you can see, only 1 year, okay? So these like suppliers, I'm not going to trust them. As you can see, the total employees here is 5 to 10. The response rate is 97%. Usually these small suppliers, they reply very quickly, so that's why I noticed, guys. And also year established, as you can see, just 1 year, okay old. This supplier has been in business for less than 1 year, so I'm not going to trust these suppliers. You can all, like I said, you can, as you can see, because it has no gold icon next to their name, okay, but this guy, as you can see, has three, as you can see, three gold icons, which is like very trustworthy. Okay, I'm going to click on their, I'm going to click here, I'm going to click again on profile, company in overview. As you can see, has been in business for a very long time. As you can see, also it has like 5 reviews, okay, and also the years export, as you can see, exporting for 9 years, years in industry 9 years. As you can see, it has like certifications. As you can see, you can check them, and as you can see, control, quality control. Okay, so you can check all of these. As you can see, you can check also the reviews here. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. If you click here on contact, you can see contact details like the phone, the company phone number, the company fax. As you can see, you can see you can also see the location, like the company location. As you can see, it's verified. Okay, the supplier is verified, so there is nothing to worry about. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys, to check if the seller or supplier is like is legit. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.